John Cena calls his own NFT sales a catastrophic failure.
Poor guy.
World Wrestling Entertainment offered 500 gold tier packages with Cena's NFT for 1,000, but only a fraction of them sold.
Yeah.
Isn't this interesting, this NFT stuff, how you, some things seemingly, almost organically, turn into major hype, and then you get other things which already got some legs on them.
Yeah.
Like John Cena.
Or Ubisoft.
Yeah.
You know?
And then you can't sell it because for some reason the communities don't align in the way that you expect, or at all.
It is very interesting.
But I knew that John Cena was interested in the idea of NFTs, and obviously the WWE would be paying attention because the NBA appeared to pull it off. Like, why did they pull it off? What did they do differently?
Yeah.
Now, maybe this has to do with the product itself. Maybe this has to do with timing. I know the Top Shot stuff was pretty early for the NBA, so they got a lot of credit for having been, early adopters.
Sure.
People love that in the tech. But let's see. Scroll down a little bit here. Professional wrestler and actor John Cena said fans only purchased 7.4% of his NFTs that were made available last month. He was speaking at SuperCon 2021 and said it was a mistake to market his WWE NFTs as part of a package with physical collectibles. A hat, shirt, wristband, belt, towel, autographed picture, and the digital collectible. The organization offered 500 gold tier packages. I talk a lot about failure. This idea failed. Myself and the folks in the WWE thought 1,000 was a fair price. We were wrong. We were absolutely wrong. We sold 37. Wow. I mean, I like that he's talking about it.
Yeah.
That's kind of cool. But yeah, maybe they just missed it ever so slightly. They released 2 NFTs, the 24-hour auction of the John Cena Platinum NFT and the 500 limited edition NFTs as part of the package. The Platinum sold for $21,000. Highest bidder got VIP tickets. I don't know, man. It seems to me that if you want to get into the NFT thing, then you have to respect the NFT rules. And you have to pay attention, seemingly, to the other projects that are working and what the mechanics of those projects are, particularly around community, particularly around the number of collectibles, and obviously we've seen so many examples of computer-generated, AI-generated stuff. Like, I think you just have to be paying attention to what has been working in NFTs. And he might be right. This connection between physical goods and then having the NFT as a bonus, just for whatever reason, doesn't seem to translate or be applicable to the type of groups that you would be marketing such a thing at. And then there's also the argument that, hey, maybe it just isn't as much crossover as you imagined. The NFT and crypto community and the WWE community, and maybe it's going to take time.
Sure.
It's a possibility as well.
Yeah.